In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't extract file error 0x80004005 unspecified error. So let's say here I want to do extract this one. I would first go and open a Google Chrome and type in WinRAR. So download the software. So to download, just go down here and you will see the download WinRAR button and download WinRAR. Here you'll see the download. So wait for the download, and after it's done, go through the installation. So this is just an installation of WinRAR. So after you install it, you will be able to use this software to extract folders. So now what you're gonna do is right click on this folder, show more, and then you want to extract using the WinRAR folder. So basically you have these options. As you can see, this is open with WinRAR. So once you click this, you will be able to open it. However, we want to extract it, so let's click show more and extract files, and then click OK. And here you'll see password, so just put in your password if you know the password, and then OK, and this will basically extract the files. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.